So we have the Neo all set up with the master rescue props. I'm using the FPV 3 controller and the goggles N3. We're going to have a fly around here, and the moon is just going down. It's a lovely cold morning. So these are the rates that ChatGPT suggested to avoid prop wash. So I'm going to give them a shot. I'm not expecting much, but a little bit of fun anyway. Give it a try, see what happens. And we're off. A big seagull. Let me do a loop. Wow. Still not. But the rolls are actually a lot better. Rolls I can do. Let's try a dive. Not too bad. There's a little bit of wind. Okay, let's try that's better, that didn't work. Okay, back to manual. Oh, a lot of recovery there. Crashed again.